Hi everyone, Neil Livingstone here. Today I want to talk about how you can use social media to help you in your recruitment efforts and why it's so important. If you are a company that has a reasonably large workforce and regularly recruiting, it can save you a lot of time and a lot of money. So, and we're talking about all social media, so LinkedIn, Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, YouTube, etc. What I'm going to do is actually show you an example. So I'm going to share my screen and I'm going to go to a website. So this is one of my clients, Taryn. Now, Taryn runs two modelling agencies, Wink and The Right Fit. And you can see that she has, this is her LinkedIn site here, she has 31,000 followers. Okay, now you can see that her first post, or her most recent post, she's put a little Seek logo, which is an online recruitment site here in Australia, the #1 site, and she's actually advertising for a role. So straight away, 31,000 people will see this. Now, the other benefit of using social media for recruitment is people will share these posts. So if they see this and they know someone that might be interested, they will, and they're a friend, they will absolutely share this quite quickly. The Taryn has used, and I'll just go to her Facebook. You can see that she's got 4,700 friends. And if you go down here, you can see that she's put exactly the same post here on the right. So she has been able to use her socials, and she's got the same on Instagram and YouTube to get her ads out there. She does a lot of recruiting, and a lot of her people that she hires comes through response to these types of social media posts. Now, if you can combine that with a really good video, this is another one of my clients, the PR Hub, run by Sam. In fact, Sam and Taryn are good friends. I'm just going to quickly play this video. Now, this video, I'm going to put it on mute so I can talk. You can see that it goes for 1:50, and it is 10-15-second grabs of her team. Now, her team are talking about why they like working for the PR Hub. Now, if you can combine a quality video like this with your social media reach out into, like I said, it can be YouTube, LinkedIn, Facebook, Instagram, any of them, you suddenly have a really powerful message and it gets massive response. So hopefully that was helpful for you, and is if you don't know it already, a really powerful reason why you should be building up your social media presence and then using that in the recruitment efforts that you have. Thanks for listening.